You can make comparison analysis more meaningful in your Power BI reports using field parameters. This dashboard compares different players in the England football team. Comparing all players using goals scored can paint a distorted view on player performance since there are different positions on the pitch. When we filter for goalkeepers, only the relevant metrics are shown. In this case, it is clean sheets. Likewise, when we filter for forwards, we can compare players based on goals and assists. Field parameters improves the quality of comparison analysis, reduces noise and clutter, and reduces the time taken to develop and maintain the report. This was a fun sports example, but you can also apply these principles in a workplace setting. In this dashboard, we are only comparing individuals based on relevant department KPIs. For sales, it is conversions and revenue. For marketing, it's leads and appointments set. And for IT, it is total tickets and average resolution time. Using field parameters only takes a few steps. In Power BI Desktop, we select the field parameter option under the Modeling tab. Then, we select the fields we want to dynamically change depending on player position. Clicking on the parameter reveals the sort order of the fields. We will need these numbers later on. If we add the parameter to the table, the stats show up, but they are not currently dynamic. To induce the dynamic column switching, we create a helper table using some DAX code. The numbers here corresponds to the fields in the field parameter, where 0 is appearances, 1 is goals scored, and 2 is assists. For defenders and goalkeepers, 0 is appearances, and 3 is clean sheets. In the modeling view, we create a relationship between the helper table and the parameter table. We also create a relationship between the helper table and the original stats table. You can avoid many-to-many relationships by using a bridge table, but this is sufficient for this example. Finally, on the report view, we replace the filter field with the position column in our helper table. Thanks for watching.